Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. This is your teacher Ms. Fatma Islam from class nursery. Students, in English written today our topic is write the initial sound of the picture of the given picture. Initial means write the first sound from which the picture is beginning. As you can see here, I have two same worksheets on the both side, but we will look at the left hand side worksheet because we always start doing our work from the left hand side in English and in maths. Okay, now as you can see, the first picture is flower. Yes, flower. So flower begins with the sound f. You have to write in the given line in front of flower, and then you have to complete the spelling. Write F in a line. F is like a walking stick with a line across. You have to write F by this formation and have to complete the word. When you write F, you have to complete the spelling, and the spelling is Flower. Flower. Again, Flower. Flower. Students, you have to just write the first sound. Okay, now the second picture is pencil. 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 Now write P on a given line. P is down and down, and go up and up and turn around. Okay, pencil. 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 Again, pencil. Pencil. You have to just write the sound P to complete the spelling. Now the third picture is kangaroo. Kangaroo. Okay, you have to write K on the given line. Like F didn't get below the line, P get below the line. P line के नीचे आता है. K we have to write on a line. K is down and down, and give it a kick. You have to give it a kick and make the spelling proper. Now spell the word Kangroo. Kangaroo. Kangroo. Kangaroo. Now the fourth picture is uniform. Uniform. You have to write A on a given line. A didn't come below the line, it should be on the line. A is down, turn, go up and come down. You have to write A on a given line. Now spell the word UNIFORM. Form. Uniform. Now the last picture we have egg. Okay, an egg begins with the sound eh. You have to write on the given line. Makes an I and turn around. Makes an I and turn around. You have to just write the sound on the given line. Now revise it again. For flower, you have to just write for pencil. You have to just write kangaroo. You have to just write a uniform. Just write and in the last egg. You have to just write the sound Okay students, I hope that you have got my lecture and understand it very well. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.